Dear graduates, esteemed university leaders, passionate faculty, and beloved families, today is not just a ceremony. It is a celebration of triumph, a tribute to your determination, your sacrifices, and your unyielding belief in the power of education and the promise of your dreams. The journey you've taken has been anything but easy. It required tapang to face the unknown, disiplina to persist despite setbacks, and pag-asa, hope that someday your hard work would be rewarded. You lived through times of great uncertainty, navigating remote learning during a global pandemic, enduring financial hardships, and adapting to a rapidly changing world. But in every challenge, you stood tall. And now, here you are, matatag, matapang, matagumpay. But remember, no one climbs this mountain alone. So to the professors who rose to the moment, who reimagined classrooms, brought wisdom to your screens, and never gave up on your potential, marami pong salamat. To the university leaders who hold the line when the future felt unclear, who protected access and quality amid adversity, thank you so much. To the families who prayed, who worked, who sacrificed, and believe in you even in the hardest days, maraming salamat. And to the unseen hands who made this moment possible, the magsasaka, the workers, the taxpayers, the everyday heroes who sustain this nation. Please know this. Your efforts live in every diploma handed out to every single graduate today. Behind every diploma lies a promise fulfilled, the Republic Act 10931 or the Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act. Since 2018, this bold law has opened the doors of learning to more than 2 million Filipino students across more than 200 public colleges and universities nationwide. Libre ang tuition, libre ang miscellaneous fees, libre ang pag-asa. But let us be clear, this is not merely a privilege. It is a sacred responsibility, a covenant between you and the nation, ang ating mahal na Pilipinas, that invested so much in your dreams. As Kofi Annan once said, education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. And now, you hold the promise of progress in your hands. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, graduates from state university and colleges enjoy higher employment rates. Naniniwala ba kayo dyan? Especially in vital sectors like education, public health, engineering, and civil service. This is not just a statistic. It is a signal that you are ready and your country, our country, ang ating mahal na Pilipinas needs you. Your education is more than a personal victory. It is a foundation for nation building. You are the future of public service, of science and innovation, of classrooms and clinics, barangays and boardrooms. You are the architects of a better, more inclusive Philippines. As beneficiaries of free higher education, you now carry a duty to give back, to lift others, and to keep the doors of opportunity open for those who will follow. Never forget, huwag kakalilimutan the words of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. You are that hope. Let your future be guided by integrity, fueled by compassion, and driven by excellence. Be learners for life, leaders of principle and integrity, and servants of the people. This is your time, not just to succeed, but to serve, to lead, to build, to change the world around you. So, class of 2025, shine not only for yourselves, but shine for the Philippines that so believes in you. Maraming salamat, congratulations, and mabuhay kayong lahat.